What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be showing a product that a lot of you 5th gen 4Runners have been emailing us about, and it is finally here, full production. This is something for the inside of the 5th gen 4Runner 2010 all the way up to 2024. So if you have one of those years, this is going to work for you. And this is for those that want to add lights like on our roof rack, accessories like ditch lights, fog lights, compressors, radios, anything on your 4Runner, you can add it with this. So let's take a look and show you what I'm talking about. So this is a factory, I guess, panel. It goes right here, and this here is an OE panels switch panel, and as you can see, it is housing a Switch Pros right in there, and it does it very well, and it looks super clean. So this is what a factory one will look like. It has this kind of leather texture on it, or print, and it has 3 pockets for switches, so pretty basic. But on here, what we did, or what OE panels did, is they added this texture to match the texture. You can kind of see it here as well on the factory panels. And then there's your square, which is your controls for your mirror, and then your dimming for your cluster, and then your 400 watt AC on 120 volt power output. And then we give 1 extra slot so you can put anything you want here. So you can put an anytime camera, which is what I would recommend. That way you can utilize a camera in the front of your vehicle, turn it on and off whenever you are off-road or even on-road, and can see the back if you're towing anything or just want to see what's behind you, even as you are driving. But the main thing is housing this part up here and doing so with it looking factory. So here's the side profile of the panel. You can see super flush. So the Switch Pros uses an adapter that will house this here. If you guys want to use an Auxbeam, which is what this is, it's a little bit bigger and it'll fit in here perfectly. There is another product like this on the market, but it isn't a replacement piece really. What that other company is doing, they're drilling 2 holes up here and then mounting a Switch Pros up here, which works, but it is just utilizing a factory piece from Toyota, where this one will give you this kind of step or pocket right up here for your panel, and it will look factory. There's no holes in it. It's built the way it is. There is a little bit of trimming to the back side of this, which obviously you cannot see any of it once this is in. And then if you ever did, for whatever reason, want to go back to this, the factory one, just pop it off, pop the factory one in. Nothing will be noticeable from the front. So if you wanted to sell the vehicle for whatever reason, you could do that. But this also gives you an extra switch. So if 8 buttons is not enough for you, and you wanted, a physical button, like we have a rear hatch button here, but you can put a anytime camera or anything up here as well. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. We just wanted to make a real quick video because we know a lot of you have been emailing us waiting for this product. But you can pick up this panel along with the Tundra panel if you have a 3rd gen Tundra, Sequoia, or a Tacoma at oepanels.com. We will have this in store at Running for Tacos in Colorado, but if you want to buy it online, it's going to be at oepanels.com. But that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our later video. Peace.